Hello everyone, and welcome back to Every Day to 100K, the channel where we make a video every single day so that we can get 100K subscribers and get the trophy for getting 100K subscribers. Today I thought that the last video on how to make a perfect caramel latte was really good, got a lot of good feedback, so I thought I'd make another how-to video. I'll go ahead and put that link to the other video if you haven't seen it in the card above that should appear right now. If you haven't seen it, go click on it and be sure to subscribe as well. Anyway, so I thought that this year I wanted some eggnog, but you know, it's hard to find it in the stores where I am, and someone suggested that I just make my own. And it's actually really simple according to everything. You just need these ingredients. So we got sugar, some eggs, fresh cream, nutmeg, and milk. Should be everything. You're gonna want something to mix with. I think I have something in here. There we go. A little hand mixer. It's not that strong, but it might do the trick. We'll set that aside for later. Oh, that's where I had a Christmas Eve drink the night before. Canada Dry, if you're watching, I've always thought you were the best tonic water. Please private message me if you want to send me some free Canada Dry. I'll be open for that. So I've got two bowls here. You want to separate your egg whites from your egg yolks. So that way you can, you know, make the different parts of the eggnog. Anyway, let's get started here. Let's go ahead and grab an egg. Yeah, just any plain old egg will do fine. I think the kind of egg doesn't matter, but we'll just crack it into the bowl. It's kind of hard one-handed, but we'll see how it works. Here we go. All right, just one-handedly crack that into the bowl. Okay, so it turns out these are slow-boiled eggs. You know, I didn't realize that. It doesn't say slow-boiled egg. It says onsen tamago, so I thought it was just, you know, I thought it was something else. Yeah, check it for me. I don't see anything on here that says a slow-boiled egg. So anyway, I can't make eggnog with this. Yeah. Anyway, if you could subscribe to our channel, maybe tell me where to find like some regular eggs, because I didn't realize this was going to happen. All right, thanks guys. Please subscribe.